Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting direct access to the hub, plug it in and connect your laptop to the EE network or use an Ethernet cable. Once done, open a browser and type the hub IP found on the sticker. This takes you straight to the login page. Enter the admin username and password. These are on the sticker or in your account. If you can't log in, try the router's default credentials printed on the device, then proceed to the settings menu. Once inside, go to wireless or Wi-Fi settings. This is where SSID and password live. You can rename the SSID to something recognizable, then select WPA2 or WPA3 security for the best protection and type a strong passphrase. Mix letters, numbers, and symbols. Make sure to click apply or save so the hub writes the new settings. Expect devices to drop off briefly. This is normal. After settings update. To finish, reconnect each device with the new credentials and confirm internet access. Update any printers or smart devices that use the old password. If you run into problems, reboot the hub first, then remove the old Wi-Fi profile on your device and try again. This clears cached credentials. If that fails, a factory reset will restore defaults, but you'll need to reconfigure SSID and password. Only do this as a last resort, because you'll lose custom settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.